everyone, I'm Nikki and I'm here with the Kat Scrappiness design team showing off some of the new products. So I'm going to go over this foliage frame die that is the mini slimline size. So you may have seen this die with some of our other size cards, and it is such a versatile die that we need to make it in every size, which I think now we have it. So this is the mini slimline size. That means that it is 3.5 by 6, and it makes such cool cards. So the things that I love to do with this, I love making shaker windows out of this. I love putting together just a simple card and putting a sentiment right in the middle. Looks really great with this die. So I'm going to show you an example that I made and we'll get right to that. So if you haven't had time to subscribe to Kat Scrappiness yet, make sure you hit that button so that you will get to see all the new product releases and just fun design team videos. This is how it comes out after being die cut. So you have this fun, I kind of think you could use this middle piece for something fun too, maybe a stencil. But let me show you how these leaves, they are also embossed with the lines of the leaves on them. So I'm going to try to get this up closer to the screen so you can see those embossed lines. Do you see them right there? I love that extra detail that is added by having those embossed lines. I have used this die in other sizes before and have done this whole thing as a rainbow. So much fun, but today we're going to stick with green. One thing with having the embossed lines that I think really looks cool is adding some pencil marks or just a little bit of ink in those embossed lines to really make them show up. So I'm going to do that with this card, and then I'm going to flash to the final card so that you get to see it, and then you can move on and make sure and check out some more of our new release product videos. I did want to show you how cool this would look as a shaker card. So we've got these mini slimline acetate sheets which make it super easy. So I just wanted you to think of that. That's another fun way to use this die. And now I'll show you what I did with it. Okay, here it is. So mine is a monotone card with some ink blending on the background. I did add that little bit of pencil into the embossed veins of the leaves, and I think it just turned out precious. So if you're interested in this die, make sure you click through the link in the description, and I hope to see you on the channel for more videos. Have a great day. Bye.